This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lynn Johnson. Handicap assessable ranch home in Karns area. Well cared for 3-bed/2 bath home with great floor plan. Home has extra space off the laundry for extra storage or office area. Large private backyard and heated and cooled workshop area. Private backyard and newer deck. Extra long driveway for lots of parking. Some TLC needed. Home is being sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Johnson at 865-687-1111.